how to create an oil paint edge effect in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC 2019, but the same can be done in CC 2018, 2017, etc. Now, you can see the actual effect there. I've just applied it to some flowers, and what it uses is the oil paint, and you can find that in the filter menu, and find edges. There's another example here as well of the same effect. Now, of course, you can tweak it in numerous ways. Also, I combine it with the image menu adjustments and black and white and levels. In a few seconds, I will go through the actual steps to apply. There's the poser design there. So you can see the various settings I've done there. Now, flowers, again, you can see some of the various things in the history. Now, what you can also do, you can actually make this as an action as well. So if you want to save it as an action, you can record it and then apply it multiple times. Now, just going to go back to the original image. And now, filter. Just go to the filter. See, what I want to do is actually go around those edges there. So filter and then stylize and oil paint. It's a great little filter. And what you can do, stylize and oil paint. Now, hopefully your system will be able to run that. Some systems can't, because depending on the various machine. But set the values up to 9.2, 9.2 for stylization and cleanliness. The others you can ignore. Now, the great thing about the oil paint filter is just apply it multiple times. So just go there, filter and oil paint, apply it once, twice, 3 times, whatever. And you can get that really lovely sort of smeary sort of oil paint effect. Really, really good. Now, what I want to do now is actually turn it into a black and white image because I want the edge to be black. I don't want any colour into that. So just going to go image, adjustments and black and white. And I'm going to set the reds. Just move that. Now you can tweak it to your heart's content. Depends what you want there. So I'm just going to tweak those settings, click OK, and then you've got your black and white image. Right. Now go to Filter and Stylize and find edges. That's the key thing. Find edges. And there, find edges. That's just a simple effect. So it just applies that, and now you've got this lovely ink, sort of swirly sort of ink design. You can also use the image menu, adjustments and levels. I'm just going to move that way, move the midtones to the right so you can really darken up the lines. Click OK once you're happy with the actual design there. Click OK. Now what you can do, you can actually go back to filter and oil paint again. Oil paint never goes away. It's a great filter. I say it's one I use quite a lot. Stylize and oil paint, and see there you can actually see it even more sort of swirly, sort of smeared. It's really quite, and again you can apply it multiple times, so you don't have to just apply it once. You can apply it 3-4 times. You can actually go too far and it just sort of does actually sort of lighten the image up a bit as well. Okay, so once you've done that, what you can do is you can actually set the history state. Window menu, window and history. Go to the point where you've got the original image. In this case, you can see I've got image size because I actually resized the image. But select the image size and then use that. Obviously on the left side, just click on that so you get a little. And then go to edit menu and fill. And set the contents to history. Now, I'm not going to change those. I could change them at there, but I'm actually going to fade it. So just going to click OK. And you can see the original image now. Now what you can do then is go to Edit and Fade. Edit menu and Fade. Fade fill as it's called there. And then what you can do, you can actually go through the modes, multiply, colour burn, lighten, and each have their great effects. So you can actually just add difference. Creates a sort of glassy effect there as well, difference or exclusion. So you can sort of create a very unusual. But I'm not going to use those in this video. I'm just going to just wanted to show you examples of that. What I'm going to do is going to go for the opacity, and I'm going to set it down to about 20%, 25, 26, whatever. That's sort of very low. But you can see the original image through that, so you can actually then. That's it, really. You can add some more vibrancy if you want. Go to image menu and adjustments and vibrance, and that's it. You've got a lovely, super colourful inked drawing using the oil paint and find edges. Now, of course, you can quickly run through the history panel and just see if you actually like some of the other designs more than that. because you can actually obviously go back and maybe tweak it again and again and again until you're happy with your image. So just say, click the levels and you see the original ink drawing there, find edges, etc. Right, well, I hope you found this of interest. Please subscribe. I'm always adding new videos, and also if you can add a comment or two, that's really great. Thank you much. Bye.